evolve along with the different combinations you can master once you get this swing proper. So the basic swing, I will start with the basic step. So the basic step is 2, 3, 4, open. Then I do the shuffle. So once I get into this step, I open up and I place it. So the basic step of the swing or the crossover is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now from here you can do the wraparound, where if your partner is on your right, instead of crossing over, I'll bring her towards me and I'll wrap her around me and take a spin. So this will go 1, 2, 3 and I'll build that momentum and move out and open her up in the same position. And then I do a crossover step into this. So I'll just explain it once again very slowly. It's here. It's stretch, bring your partner towards you, bring her in and stop her and walk around. Then you open up to this step. Then I do the crossover. Now the other option is when your partner is on your left, I would move at the back and stop here and just move her back around to me. So with the momentum it will move to this way. So it goes and cross over and I bring her here and walk up and turn. So I'll just explain it slowly. Yeah. So I take a step 1, 2, 3 and I walk back 3 while getting my partner in the front. So that's the step. So we'll just do a speed step on what it is. So step 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, shuffle, in, back, open, swing, 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 swing and lock in and open, back, swing, turn, back and right. So those are the steps to the combination you can do while you're doing a swing. We'll get some more videos on later on with some more jive steps, basically which you can do at parties and weddings. Thanks.